Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friend?
Actually, I'm gonna go to
Not good? Why not good?
my problem.
What problem?
No rupees.
No rupees? इधर वेला बास है तो कितने आसन पैसे गो फॉर वर्क
No work.
काम पे जाओ
Come nahi hai. No
काम
order.
क्यों नहीं है
No order, Baba.
वाई नो ऑर्डर
Now what I do? Only order for Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान में
Only
ऑर्डर किधर से
Pakistan
है
order. Africa
यू
no.
आर हियर इन दुबई नॉट अफ्रीका ओके
To my problem.
गो फॉर वर्क काम पे जाओ काम नहीं है क्यों
To my problem.
ओके काम नहीं है बोल रहा है भाई और सुनाए भाई क्या हाल है
Time pass.
ओनली टाइम पास
You all people, you like Filipino. I know you. You like Filipino too much.
नो ओनली टाइम पास
No time pass, Baba.
नो
Filipino is good, Pakistan.
एवरी
But
पर्सन इज नॉट इक्वल
it's equal, Baba.
नो नॉट इक्वल
It's equal.
नो
You-
वी आर नॉट सेम आई
you-
हैव नो गर्लफ्रेंड
No problem.
You have girlfriend.
You feel your girlfriend, no problem. You don't
नो
want to
नो
marry.
नो दिस इज नॉट द
If I take a girlfriend, I take
It's
Filipino.
haram.
Filipino will take my money, huh? Filipino
No,
will take
it's
my
a
money.
haram.
What a ram, Baba? Not a ram.
गर्लफ्रेंड हराम
Girlfriend, alhamdulillah, very good. After you go home, massage your body.
मसाज
Massage.
Massage is good
You go.
because we are
you
all day we are working.
Baba, you go
Massage
back
is good.
home. You go back home when you're so much tired. All your shoulder need some massage. Need good oil. After a bike like this for a long time.
200 salary.
How much?
300. 2,000 salary. 3,000.
That's 1 month salary, you know. All month salary. Gone.
3,000.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you say?
3,000. No room,
No room,
no food,
no food,
no nothing.
no nothing. You are good man, but I don't like your girlfriend. You are harami.
Alhamdulillah, Ram is good.
Yeah. Girlfriend is good.
Alhamdulillah.
If you get married with her, it's okay.
Yes,
But
inshallah.
this is-
Inshallah, we'll
this
get
is-
married.
You have already children.
No, I don't have children.
You have married.
No.
You get married
No, I'll
in
get
your
married.
country.
No. I don't have married, bro.
You are